The FIVB Women's World Championship will be hosted by the Philippines come 2029. You know what time it is? Hands in. This is such good news para sa lahat ng mga volleyball fans because just a few days ago or the past few weeks, we've seen nothing but greatness from the men's volleyball teams. Iba't ibang lahi, iba't ibang heights, iba't ibang powers. And we also got to see our Alas men's national team compete at the world stage. At napatunayan nila na kaya nilang maipagsabayan. Now for our women's team, this is such a moment for them dahil tayo ang host, it means that we are automatically qualifying to the World Championship. So yung ating women's volleyball team naman na magpapakitang gilas in front of thousands and thousands of people at the arena. And the best part about it, we have 4 years to prepare. Sana lang hindi natin sayangin. Dahil napakaraming talent dito sa Pilipinas, we would still have time para makuha yung mga naglalaro sa ibang mga bansa. Si Alyssa Solomon, for example, that will be skipping the SEA Games for this year. Sana makuha natin siya pagdating ng FIVB and she would also express her interest. At ang pangalawa, yung ating hosting. I've seen some players from different countries kind of complaining about the facilities na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas. We can't really blame them kasi baka mamaya yun yung nakagis na nila way back in their hometown. As hosts, kailangan nating mag-improve pati na rin sa ating facilities. And 4 years is a lot of time to improve on all of that. I understand na siguro maraming permits, maraming infrastructural thingies na kailangan asikasuhin, but I think it's enough time.